One, two. Oh shit. Oh shit. Maya.
Six God, hey, 4 6 God, hey, 4 6 God,
Hey.
4 6 God.
Hey. Let me stop playing. You already know. Back to the bit. Hold on. What I'm doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's going on, you guys? We are back with another reaction. It's just not no video. It's not no video at all. It's actually the audio. My man's DDG himself came from Pontiac. Himself came from Pontiac. Came from nothing. Came from YouTube sensation. Now he is a signed artist. Let's go ahead and clap it up for my man. Now, he just dropped his first single. Actually, not even a single, an album. This says a album right here on Spotify. So make sure y'all go and hit that Spotify. I'm going to be leaving the links below if y'all did not hear it. He's going to be dropping the video very shortly. I don't know if it's going to be today or it's going to be another day. But he got to talk it up with his signed label. But we go ahead and react to his Young, Rich, and Black. Let's go ahead and get into this reaction. It's actually the audio, but let's get it anyways. Let's get it. That nigga going crazy on this bitch. Ooh. Okay, DDG. Oh. 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 That's what the fuck I'm talking about, DDG. That's what you put out. That's what you put out. Bangers. Nothing but bangers. Been telling y'all lately, man. I've been telling y'all lately, man. Y'all been sleeping on DDG. He be getting some bangers out. The last couple of songs is alright, but this one is alright. But make sure I go and subscribe to YouTube channel, turn on that post notification, man. Clap it up for my man's DDG. Signed artist. First album out as a signed artist. First song out as a signed artist. I'm really excited. Like I want to see what this going to do. What type of numbers this is going to do. Like for real. I'm trying to see what type of numbers it's going to do. That's what I'm trying to figure out. But make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe to YouTube channel. Make sure y'all 46. And I'm out. Hey.